Hello and welcome to Epic LEDs. We are innovators within the alternate transportation, lighting, and technology space. We create user-friendly LED light kits for radically illuminating your bicycle, motorcycle, scooter, and more. These innovative light kits incorporate our custom 12-volt power system, which helps produce much brighter lights than other standalone battery-powered LED kits. And our rechargeable 12-volt lithium battery comes with a water-resistant zipper case that includes an adjustable Velcro strap for placement on your frame and extra internal storage. All of our kits feature quick connect plug-and-play connectors for easy installation and can only be connected one way, and that is the right way. At Epic, we offer a variety of LED colors and in addition offer an RGB controller-based kit option that produces colors on the fly and comes with its own micro remote color selector. Considering the fun factor of lighting your ride with lots of bright colored lights, there is an extra benefit to being lit up well and safer when riding at night. Well, we think that's a great idea, and many of our friends do too. So thanks for your interest in our project. My name is Chris Wiggins, and I hope you become one of our Epic family members and participate in one of the many perks and especially good deals we are offering in this campaign. Prepare to be inspired.